Hi, love. Welcome to day 9 of Rise of the Magnetic Woman. First, a check in. Have you completed yesterday's practice on magnetism versus manifestation? If not, pause here and go back. Because abundance begins in your body and pleasure is the fuel. And as I always remind you, manifestation is not about mantras or empty rituals. It's about becoming the woman whose energy is magnetic. Today we are exploring something that may feel new, but it's your most natural truth. So what is it? It is pleasure as a portal to abundance. Sounds unnatural, isn't it? That's because of what we were taught about pleasure. We have been told that pleasure is selfish or only the lazy and the happy-go-lucky indulge in pleasure. We have also been told that money and pleasure don't mix. We have been told very often that women should sacrifice first and only rest later. We have also been told that joy and softness makes you weak. So most women chase abundance through exhaustion. They feel they have to really work. They feel that they have to hustle. So they overwork, they overgive and end up depleted. But here's the secret. Pleasure is not the opposite of productivity. Pleasure is the pathway to abundance. Now let's understand why pleasure opens abundance. When you are in pleasure, whether it's the way you savor your coffee, maybe it's the way you let that chocolate melt on your tongue, or the way you oil your body, or you are walking in the sun, you dance slowly, whatever it is that you do, when you are doing it, your nervous system begins to relax. And when you are relaxed, you stop clinging and chasing. You become magnetic to opportunities and people. Your energy starts saying, I trust, I receive, I am open. The universe does not respond to stress. It responds to your frequency. And pleasure is the frequency of abundance. Think of the women in your life who glow, who feel radiant, who seem to attract with ease. It's rarely the ones who are the most exhausted or overworked. It's usually the ones who give themselves permission to enjoy life. That glow, that softness, that radiance is magnetic. Abundance is not outside of you. It flows through you when you open the portal of pleasure. So let's now look at the day 9 practice and find the pleasure to abundance. So choose one simple pleasure today. Maybe it could be sipping your tea or coffee slowly, applying cream to your skin and actually feeling your palm on your skin. It could be humming a song, or it could even be lying down without an agenda for just 5 minutes. While you do it, breathe slowly and say to yourself, I allow myself to feel good. Pleasure opens me to abundance. You can note this down in your journal. I allow myself to feel good. Pleasure opens me up to abundance. So once you have written it in your journal, maybe you can also add another line. Today I allowed abundance to flow through my pleasure Buy, and you can write down the practice that you indulged in. So today I allowed abundance to flow through my pleasure by sipping tea slowly or by oiling my body. That's it. Simple, sensual, magnetic. So my dear love, pleasure is not a luxury. It's your natural state. And when you honor it, you open the floodgates to abundance. Tomorrow, we'll take this further because once abundance begins to flow, many women start feeling guilty about receiving it. So in day 10, we'll explore receiving without guilt, and it's a feminine skill. So for today, go enjoy your pleasure. Let it be your prayer. Let it be your power. And I'll see you in the next video.